Hey, what's up guys? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Dogecoin, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest update of the Dogecoin. But guys, before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. So guys, let me show you the latest update. What's going on? What's the price changes occur in the Dogecoin. The live price of the Dogecoin in the market is 0.312748 USD dollar. That is the live price of the Dogecoin in the market. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes occurring in the Dogecoin, so now you can see here, guys, that the last 1 hour changes of the Dogecoin in the market is negative 0.7%. Last 1 day changes is negative 2.58%. Last 1 week change is negative 2.46%. So completely, guys, the changes occurring in these coin is negative. I mean, Dogecoin price is completely dumps. The price will repeatedly decrease. So that's why I'm telling you that please do something. Please, what is the perfect decision for you? My friends, I recommend for you every time that hold. Guys, for instance, if you decide to sell Dogecoin due to these negative changes, so maybe possibilities that in the upcoming week the price will pump, the changes will become positive, so you lose your money and waste if you decide to sell at this time. But other side, if you hold Dogecoin, so possibilities that in the future the price will pump and you get profit. Now guys, what you think about Dogecoin, also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. You can see here, guys, now they're in the farming mode. It is time price falls down again, price farm again. So guys, average late changes occur in the Dogecoin is negative. You can see gradually the price chart of the Dogecoin decrease or dumps, but this not mean then you lose hope. Hold guys, don't lose hope, everything will be okay. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.